Video demonstrates an exercise question in digital electronics and how to use a mobile application called circuit simulation app in Android to verify the circuit. So this question was given as part of a class assignment, and the question is like this. So we know about BCD to 7-segment display decoder design. The question is to implement something similar but different. The difference is that it is not just that the BCD input to be displayed, but rather they need to design a circuit which will display the number which is added by their last digit, roll number, the roll number's last digit. For example, if I give the input 0000 for a student with their roll number being 7 as the last digit, the 7-segment display must display not 0 but 7. So if the input is 0000, normally what it will display is 0. But in this question that I have given, they need to design a circuit which will display 7 since their roll number's last digit is 7. So this is one design done by a student named Adil. So I'll demonstrate how the working of this particular circuit. So here we have one switch at the top, which is actually on-off switch. So it is currently in off position. So I'll press that and then I'll make it into on position. So right now the circuit is in working mode. Now below the on-off switch, I have 4 switches to give the input. Initially, the 4 inputs are 0, 0, 0, 0. Since the students, I think the roll number is 7, what need to be displayed is 0, 7. Otherwise, for a normal BCD to 7-segment display design, the display is actually 0, 0. Now I'll change the input to 0001 so that the 7-segment display must display 8. Okay, so I'm changing the BCD input to 0001. Now we can see that the output is displaying 8. Now I'll change the input to the BCD input to 2. So the display becomes 9. For 3, it becomes 10. For 4, it becomes 11. For 5, it becomes 12. For 6, it becomes 13. For 7, it becomes 14. And for 8, it becomes 15. And for 9, it becomes 16. So since this is BCD, it can only take the inputs from 0 to 9, and it has displayed from 7 to 16. Okay.